Hey there. So today's a really exciting day for me because today was the last day spent working on my website. So you've probably been hearing me talk about the website for a while now. It took a lot longer than I thought it would, but it's also so much better than I thought it was going to be. Thank you so much to my amazing best friend Katie, who pretty much built the whole thing. And yeah, I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So I did have a website in the past, but it was mostly just a few blog posts by me. It wasn't really anything interactive, and this year I wanted to spend a lot of my time with other people and building community, and so that was kind of the goal of the website. We have a job board, which is all sorts of different kinds of remote jobs for people on the road. There's also adventurous jobs too. The job that I had in Alaska is actually posted right now as our featured job. There is also a lot of my content, which is poetry and also destinations. We do also have information on the Airstream as well as the background story, and also the camper van, the entire process of the build, the kitchenette, and also like tips and tricks and hacks on cooking and basically just how to make life easier on the road. Through the website, I'm also able to put out a newsletter. So I think I'm going to be doing that weekly. It'll just be kind of an update about my life, my current life versus YouTube, which is like usually 3 weeks behind. And then I'm also going to be posting pre-released YouTube videos on my website. There's a special link for that as well. So if you want to watch them early, that's an option. Personally, my favorite thing about it is the community board, or just the community. It's not just a board. There's like multiple boards that you can comment on. You can ask questions, you can ask for advice, you can connect with other people. I have a Q&A section on there too. I know I'm really bad about answering the comments on YouTube, but with the Q&A section on my website, I think it's going to be a lot easier to connect with people and to give people direct answers. There's also different pieces of advice like, oh, stop at this restaurant, or this place is free camping. Those comments kind of tend to get lost in the mix of things. And with the website, what I'm hoping to do is have people comment on the posts. And so anyone clicking on White Sands is going to see Johnny's random comment at the bottom saying, oh, there's this amazing restaurant off of Highway 70, like right up the street. So it's not just like for me to scroll back and look, but it can be kind of more of like a community feel, and everyone can have access to that information. So if you want to connect with me or become part of our little community, that would be amazing. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like the website and that it can be used as a resource for you. If you have any questions or comments or concerns, or if you notice anything out of place or misspelled, please don't hesitate to comment either in the boards or on one of the posts. I hope you're all having a beautiful day, and I'll be back very soon.